Some of you have asked for a requested video. Here is the vehicle. I'm going to uncover it, do a quick walk around. This is everything that's going to storage. I don't know if you saw, but the car just unlocked itself. The key fob will automatically unlock and lock the car as you walk towards it or you walk away. Kind of in tight quarters until everything gets picked up. Carbon fiber seats, Alcantara interior. Here's your roll bar all the way across. Let me actually open the garage door, give us a little better view. Some more light. Along with the vehicle, it's included a trickle charger. I always keep this plugged in whether in storage or if it's not going to be driven for a while. The racing gel battery, it's good to keep it continuously charged. 3.2 liter Duratec 6-cylinder, twin turbo. Okay. There's a custom exhaust, heat wrapped. That section right there before it moves out of the tailpipe you can remove. And I've got a mufflers that you can put on. It's a quick change, takes you about 5 minutes if that. It's kind of tough to do with one hand. Bear with me, there we go. Let me walk in, do a quick start for you. Once you're in the vehicle, depress the clutch, depress the brake. Tap the button. There she is. That's just the brake light that's on. It's the handbrake. Take that right out. She idles perfectly. Runs beautifully. Touchscreen nav. See if I can actually get out of this thing here. The whole reason selling's got a bad back. Neutral. It's gonna be a little loud because I don't have the muffler pack on there.